Hi, everyone. I wanted to just take a minute and talk to you about COVID-19 and what we at PCI are doing to address it. I understand this is a situation that for some is very scary and others aren't concerned at all. Whatever your emotional state is, please be kind to each other, respect each other's feelings. If you have elderly neighbors, would you please check in with them, see if they have enough food? If not, and you're able, please make them some food or get them some groceries so that they don't have to go out. Please place any food items at their door, knock, and leave. You don't know if you're asymptomatic and unknowingly are passing something on, be it COVID-19, flu, cold, the hiccups. You get my point. The media is not your enemy. If you choose to feel like they're creating hysteria, change the channel. Better yet, contact your local health department through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, their website. Keep an eye on what's going on in your community through your local neighborhood health department. Your community, your best information is happening at a local level. We're making free MP3s available, rebuilding the immune system and removing fear. Do these meditations cure you of COVID-19? Absolutely not. However, they will assist you in hopefully building up your immune system, creating calm, letting go of fear. This too shall pass. Let's be calm, prudent, and responsible. If you feel you've been in contact with someone who's tested positive for COVID-19, stay calm. Self-quarantine. Keep an eye out for your symptoms. If you have any, do your meditations. Remember, fear stresses you out and reduces your ability to be healthy. Stay calm. Our senior citizens, of which I'm one, are the most vulnerable from everything I've read and heard. I was supposed to be in Europe and Israel this week. I'm home because 2 weeks ago I came down with bronchitis. I made the decision at that point not to travel, not because I was contagious, but because I knew my lungs are the weakest area of my body. Am I concerned? Absolutely not. I am, however, taking personal responsibility for myself, allowing my body to rest, staying hydrated, rebuilding the immune system meditations, and watching lots of Lord of the Rings. We are all in this together, whether or not we choose to be. This is worldwide, not just our own towns. The more we can keep fear at bay, the more calm, self-care, take care of the elderly and the little ones, the more emotionally calm we'll feel. We don't have control, but we are capable of taking care of ourselves and our families. Please feel free to download the Rebuilding the Immune System, Removing Fear. Remember to hydrate, take your vitamin C, be aware of social distancing for a time, but laugh, love, and live. Take care of each other. We're in this together, my friends.